Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Collavate Camp. I'm Matt.
And I'm Garrett. Today we are going to chat with you about how Collavate supports a document's full life cycle using a recent example from our work.
That's right. We're going to give an inside peek into how we here at Collavate utilize the document post, collaboration, and approval processes to streamline and improve our document creation and approval process.
Our example will be how we created, edited, and published our COVID-19 response articles and also added them to our website and application in a short period of time.
See, it all starts with an idea. They can come from anywhere. But this time, our CEO, Justin, requested that these documents be created and that these features be implemented quickly. From there, I created our response policy with Justin on Collavate by posting a document into our PR group. With input from our marketing team, I finalized the content with Justin and then submitted the document for preliminary approval.
This is where our development team comes in. With the document in progress, we began planning on where and how to share the documents with our users. We decided to publish the documents directly and share the published content via links on our website footer, a pop-up, and a footer banner on our site. I created a development document detailing all of these steps, our plan for execution, and submitted it to the development team to gather feedback and make them aware of the project.
See, while Garrett was working with the development team, I had now gotten approval for the content of the document. And so I began working with our international teams to translate the document into multiple languages. I created separate documents for each individual language, shared them with the appropriate people, and then gave them their directions.
With approval received for development, I worked with our front and back end developers to create simple banners and buttons within our application and on our website. Screens, I uploaded this information to our internal development group to get final approval from our head of development and CEO.
During this time, the translations finished up, and we created a separate blog post to work in tandem with our policy documents. I submitted all of these documents in one single process to our marketing manager, ensured he was satisfied, and the process automatically sought approval from our CEO once our marketing manager gave it the okay.
And once our CEO approved all of those documents, they automatically created a dedicated published URL, which the development team then linked to our banner and buttons implemented in the code for our testing and release.
See, our process might seem simple to write out, but it takes a ton of coordination, scheduling, and collaboration to make sure that everyone has a voice. Appropriate feedback has been gotten from the relevant teams, and everyone is satisfied with the direction we're moving in before we move forward. Without Collavate, much of this communication would be more difficult, to say the least. In place of our group shared files and conversations, we would have mile-long email chains and just tons of replies.
Yep, and instead we have neat and tidy posts, stored version and activity history, and comment threads providing the necessary context to understand what's going on. It can be difficult to scroll through an old email thread or a chat window to find a single nugget of feedback you forgot to implement. Using Collavate keeps the smaller details from falling through the cracks.
We're committed to ensuring that your teams stay well connected and are working together as efficiently as possible. I think that's about all we have for you to today's video. Let us know if you have any questions and check the description for other videos and links.
Until next time, stay safe and keep collaborating.